Friends, today we have to learn about new topic, life processes. We know that for the survival of human beings, so many processes occurs inside the body of living organisms. Such processes are necessary to carry out all the essential activities. So the processes that help living being to perform maintenance and essential activities for sustaining their life are called life processes. एखाद्या लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझमच्या शरीरामध्ये त्याच्या शरीराच्या सर्व गरजा पूर्ण होण्यासाठी ज्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज, ज्या प्रोसेसेस चालतात त्यांना आपण लाईफ प्रोसेसेस असं म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, डायजेशन, respiration, circulation, excretion, control and coordination, all are these life processes. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या प्राण्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या प्रोसेस होत असतील. उदाहरणार्थ अमिबा आहे सिंगल सेल्युलर लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम. त्याच्यामध्ये भरपूर प्रोसेसेस ती एकच सेल पार पाडत असेल. In multicellular living organisms, for example, like in man, for each function there is separate system is present. This system carry out a separate process. But maybe that there are so many processes occurs. All these processes go with hand to hand. Each and every process which occurs here work on in such a way that each and every process is related with other process. For example, we understand one concept here. For example, only we know that for survival of living organism, to carry out the various processes, energy is necessary. So we know that this energy is produced in living organisms inside the mitochondria. For this production or release of energy, food is necessary. When we eat the food is a solid, complex type of substances. So first they may be converted into the soluble, simple form of the material. For that, digestion is necessary. This digestion occurs inside the digestive system. In the digestive system, when food may get converted into the simple soluble form, they may get absorbed in the small intestine. Such absorbed food material may be transported towards each and every cell of the body. Means for this transportatory system or a circulatory system is required. When food is transported towards the cell, for the breakdown of this food material inside the mitochondria, oxygen is necessary. This oxygen is taken up by our respiratory system, that the respiratory system contains so many organs, takes the oxygen inside the body, and such oxygen when reach to the lungs, from lungs it may get transported towards the heart, and from the heart it may transported towards the cell. Means to release the energy, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system are involved, and all these processes are controlled, coordinated by the one control system. Means when the life processes occurs, when one system works for the proper action, another systems are also helpful for that processes. Okay, thank you.